Hi, I'm Tyler Humble. Has the travel bug bit you, but you can't scratch that itch? Boy, have I got a product for you. Be whisked away to the getaway of your dreams with the Personal Vacation Viewcaster 2020. Want to see Australia? Click. How about Shanghai? Just let it fly. No destination in the galaxy is off limits.
This morning with the Personal Vacation Viewcaster 2020, I went to Hawaii, Detroit, and Mars, and then I had time to do my whites. The Taj Mahal.
New Jersey.
Got someone special you're locked down with? Do they like going places? Well, if they wash their hands first, you can show them the world.
Paris for my birthday? Babe, you remembered.
You might think that this antique ticket to the world would cost a fortune. Not so. You can take home this little slice of freedom for just 18 monthly payments of $23.95. See us online at See the World Now with the Personal Vacation Viewcaster 2020.com. Do it today because you ain't going anywhere tomorrow.